In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the owner of a space. This is a task you might find yourself needing to do if, for instance, the original creator is leaving the project or if there's a shift in project leadership. Knowing how to transfer ownership is a crucial skill for maintaining the smooth operation of your space. So let's dive right into it. First, let's start on the main interface. Locate the sidebar, which is usually on the left side of your screen. It's where you'll normally find various project names listed. Now find the specific space whose ownership you'd like to change. Next to the space's name, you'll notice an ellipsis, which looks like 3 dots. Go ahead and click on that ellipsis. This action is going to pull up a menu with several options related to managing your space. Now that you've opened up this menu, you need to select Space Settings. This option will lead you to the configuration window, where you can alter various attributes of your space. Within this configuration screen, look for another option labeled All Space Settings. Selecting this will open up a more detailed set of controls. Here is where we can dig deeper into the permissions and ownership settings for the space. Once you're in the All Space Settings section, it's time to focus on the Owner tab. Select this and you'll see the current ownership details. This section allows you to change the current owner of the space. You'll either search for or directly select a new owner. If you have a large team, you might find it easiest to use the search function to quickly locate the new intended owner. Double-check that you've selected the right person, because the ownership change will impact access and permissions related to the entire project space. The final step is all about making these changes official. Once you've selected the new owner, you'll need to hit the Save Changes button. Doing this will apply the changes and officially transfer the ownership of the space to the new individual you've selected. If all goes well, you should see a confirmation or some indication that your changes have been updated successfully. It's wise at this point to notify the new owner and any other relevant team members about this change so everyone is on the same page. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to changing the owner of a space. This step-by-step process ensures that the transition is smooth and that you're laying down the groundwork for effective project management. If you have any questions or run into any issues during this process, be sure to check out further resources or contact support. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.